Hey guys, welcome back to Top Shelf Toys from Marvel. This is Spider-Man Adventures. This is the part of the Playskool Heroes series. This is Spider-Man, and it comes with an awesome little spider cycle. It's super cool. You can take a look at the back. Yeah, super cool little scene there. Yes, there's Spider-Man on his little spider bike, his little web racer. Super cool. I love the Playskool Heroes series. They're super fun. So yeah, Marvel Playskool Heroes, that is Spider-Man and Spider Cycle.